What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a whole new different insane DeFi project that has literally just caught my attention a couple minutes ago, maybe about an hour ago, and I decided, okay, I need to make a video on this because this is actually insanely unique. Okay, this is something that no one has seen before. It's insane, right? So we all know in DeFi, right, we had the Ohm forks, we had Time Wonderland, we had like a bunch of other forks, we had nodes, right? We had strong nodes, and there's so many other nodes, restore nodes, all these type of nodes. Then we had the auto stakers, right? We had Titano, and then we had a bunch of other forks for that. And I genuinely think that this project is going to set off a whole new season of DeFi, a whole new wave. And I think this is going to be forked so many times. And I think this is really something that is going to, I guess, maybe kind of kickstart DeFi back into something more interesting and just kind of revive DeFi, because let's be honest, DeFi is pretty dead right now. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about Chameleon token. This is actually on ETH, and it is very interesting. This has a lot of features that have literally never been seen before. So let's get right into it. Okay, so boom. What color is the Chameleon? Look closer. So Chameleon is the first ERC20 token with dynamic fees based on price action. Okay, so sell volume increases the sell tax and lowers the buy tax, and the taxes return to normal over time. So there is a dynamic tax on this. Okay. Now, there are unique features that you've never seen before, and there are some features that are, I guess, returning from other protocols. So we can see over here, the Chameleon token will blend in the ecosystem with traditional tokenomics. So we can see here dynamic fees. And guys, I want to start off by saying, guys, this is so early. This really just launched like about 24 hours ago. So remember, this is a high risk investment. Okay, do your own research, do your own due diligence, all that good stuff. You guys know it's not investment advice, but this is looking pretty cool. Okay, so we can see anytime someone sells, the price impact is calculated, and that impact doubled is added onto the sell fee before their sell. So the buy fee goes down by the same amount. Now, fees revert back to 10% at a rate of 2% per minute. So very interesting, a lot of game theory going on here. So there's also a maximum sell fee of 30% and a minimum buy fee of negative 10%. So yes, you can actually get a bonus from buying this token. So basically free tokens, okay? Pretty cool. Now, they're also vesting dividend reward. So what they are doing is they are actually rewarding holders with ETH, right? So token fees are converted to ETH and paid as ETH dividends to holders. Now, dividends vest continuously over 3 days. If you sell early, you will miss out on some rewards. Hold and behold. Okay, pretty cool. Now, they also have the hourly biggest buyer, and this is one of the coolest features I've ever seen. So every hour, 1% of the tokens from liquidity will be rewarded to the biggest buyer of the previous hour. And this is fully automated and fully on-chain. I think this is very cool, guys, because there is always going to be that person who wants to get that, I guess, jackpot prize, right? So that hourly biggest buyer, I think that's just going to be like a competition, bring in more money into the project, into the protocol. And obviously we know that people want to get their ETH rewards and they're not going to want to sell right away. They're going to want to hold, get their ETH dividends. So guys, so far, this is very, very cool and is like something that I don't think anyone has seen before. Very unique, very innovative, and it's going to be very cool to see how this works. Now, another thing is, guys, they do have referrals, but you have to buy at least 1,000 tokens to generate a referral code. So this, I think, might need to be tweaked a bit, because as of right now, only the real whales can actually have a referral code, and I think this might need to be changed just a little bit. I do know that with, like, for example, BNB miners and whatnot, literally anyone and everyone can have a referral code. I think this does need to be a bit tweaked, because, just in my opinion, because 1,000 tokens, guys, right now, this is at trading at $4, so you need to invest $4,000 into this to be able to just have a referral code, okay? Now, I think that might need to be tweaked, okay? Now, maybe that does get tweaked, maybe it doesn't, who knows? Now, we can see, guys, the dynamic fees as well, 10% buy fee and 10% sell fee. That's just the standard. We can see the hourly biggest buyer as well. So we can see, I believe this UI hasn't been updated, which I don't think is a problem. But I did see some people talk about that in Telegram. I'm pretty sure it's just a UI issue, so that's fine. Here, guys, we can see more about the dynamic fees, which you guys should definitely go out and check, as well as the vesting dividend reward. So the dividends vest continuously. You can sell your tokens and whatnot. So that is pretty cool as well. A token holder must claim their dividends within 60 days, or they may be considered forgotten about and withdrawn by the marketing team. So that's also something to, I guess, take notice as well. So the marketing team can actually access your dividends within 60 days. Now, we already talked about the hourly biggest buyer and the referrals, and there is actually more. So they actually have an anti-bot mechanism, so the contract will have a max wallet size that starts off with 0.3%. This is actually obviously important because, like I said, they did recently launch. There's also gamification. So we believe in utility, but also in gamifying the buy-sell experience. We included a few gimmicks in the code that will be discovered as we grow. Now, guys, this I think is pretty interesting. Now, I can see why some people might look at it and be like, whoa, like, what does that even mean? But I think it's going to be very cool to see the community discover new things. And guys, I genuinely don't know what this could be, right? Like, I'm trying to think here, and they have already provided so much new features into this project, so I don't know what this could possibly be, but I think it is going to be pretty interesting. Now, they also do talk about, you know, how they're always expanding. They don't have a roadmap because the contract is experimentation, which, like I said, is a very high risk. Do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose. And an active community as well. Now, guys, this isn't even a sponsored video or anything like that. Like, I genuinely just saw this project. I was like, wow, this seems pretty cool. I went to the Telegram, I checked it out, and I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to make a video for you guys just because I really like the project. It seems pretty cool. Now, another thing to note as well is I actually don't have my own referral link, so I'm not just making this video to milk money out of you guys. I don't have 1,000 tokens to have my own referral code, so that's another thing to keep note as well. Fully transparent right here. Now, another thing I want to talk about is they have a major announcement coming tonight, and they have their CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings submitted, which is cool. Their DEX score is also improving, which means they can trend soon. So, guys, this is very, very interesting. They are very new, like I said, only about 742 followers on Twitter. So guys, I think this has a lot of room to grow. I think they only have about a $4 million market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check that. I believe it's something around like the $4 million market cap, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that is pretty cool. And actually, sorry, so at an all-time high, they did actually hit $6 million market cap, which is insane. So yeah. This is pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think this is going to be the new wave of DeFi? Are we going to see a bunch of Chameleon forks coming up? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, other than that, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll probably be making some more videos within the next couple of days just about other projects. Right now, everything has been kind of slow. Everything's been kind of dead. So, yeah. Any projects you guys want me to check out, let me know in the comments as well. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, remember, stay seeking success.